As your brand grows, one thing becomes clear. You can't do everything yourself forever. Automation becomes necessary. But here's the fear. What if my business starts to feel robotic? What if my audience stops feeling seen? That's a valid concern, because your humanity is your greatest asset. The good news? You can automate with empathy. You can save time and stay personal. Step 1, automate to free space, not replace heart. Automation isn't about replacing yourself. It's about multiplying yourself. The goal is to automate the repetitive tasks so you can focus on the meaningful connections. Use systems for what doesn't need your unique voice, like scheduling posts, sending receipts, or organizing workflows. Then spend your energy on the things that do, responding thoughtfully, creating content that inspires, and engaging authentically. Step 2, keep personal moments personal. There are parts of your brand that no software should ever touch. Welcoming a new client, thanking a loyal follower, or responding to a heartfelt message, those deserve you. Automation can start the process, for example, sending a welcome email, but add a personal note that reminds people there's a real human behind the brand. Step 3, design your customer journey with emotion. Every automation is a conversation, and like every conversation, tone matters. Whether it's an email sequence or a chatbot reply, write it like you're talking to one person, not a crowd. Ask yourself, how do I want people to feel at every step? Automation doesn't have to sound robotic. It should sound intentional. Step 4, use data to deepen connection, not just efficiency. Automation gives you insights, who's engaging, what they love, what they need. Don't just use that data to sell more. Use it to serve better. Technology gives you the information. Humanity gives you the interpretation. When you use both together, your business feels intelligent and caring. Step 5, personalize at scale. The best automation feels like it was made for one person. You can personalize without manually managing everything. Use names in emails, segment your audience based on interests, or send targeted recommendations. Automation makes personalization possible, not impossible. Step 6, maintain your brand voice everywhere. Automation should never break your brand personality. Whether someone interacts with your emails, your chatbot, or your checkout page, it should always sound like you. Even automated systems can carry your tone, phrasing, and energy. Brand consistency builds trust. Step 7, regularly reconnect and refresh. Automation is never set it and forget it. Review your systems regularly. Ask, does this still sound human? Is it still relevant? Update your messages to reflect your growth and the current needs of your audience. Automation doesn't make your brand less human. It makes your humanity more strategic. When you free yourself from repetitive work, you gain time for creativity, connection, and care. Your systems should serve your people, not separate you from them. Use automation to handle the how while you focus on the why. Because the best brands don't run on code, they run on connection.